Hey, this is Matt from InvestorQuant. Today is Wednesday, February 13th, 2020. Yesterday, the ES closed up at another all-time high close, and in the overnight session tonight, we have seen some selling. So I want to look at a pattern based on what we are seeing coming into the open. So let me show you a chart real quick so you can see what I'm about to describe. This is just a daily chart, and what I'll be looking at is a 50-day high close. So we are closing at the highest level of the past 50 days. And I want to look at what happens specifically when that is followed by a gap down below the prior day low. So currently we are trading about 10 points below yesterday's low, down around this 3360 area at the time of this recording. So we're going to look at a pattern of what happens when you go long after that. So I'm going to set that up here. Symbol and settings, I've got ES selected, the setup intraday open. That means entering at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I've got long selected, and we're going to put the exit at end of day, which is just the end of regular trading hours, 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. The setup, again, we're going to be looking at opening below prior day low. So let me hit equals here in the opening area below prior day low. Price pattern, 50-day high close. We've got another one of these. And I'm going to hit view results, and this is the results of going long on a down gap below the prior day low when yesterday closed at a 50-day high. So we've got 59 samples here, a pretty strong win rate on those 59 samples. Doesn't happen all that often, but certainly in recent memory here, as it has happened, in fact, the past 10 years, it's been a little bit stronger than that 66% overall win rate. So it's been a fairly strong pattern here. In fact, it's happened a couple times this year already. So let me show you real quick. We've got a couple times here in January, I believe, that this has happened. I'm going to hit daily charts, and we'll just look at the last couple examples of when it's happened. So this is the price action of the last time that it happened, and it looks like it happened here January 21st, so just a couple weeks ago. 5-minute price action here. You can see lifted off the open, strong run before it pulled back. It looks like the low of day was around the opening print, so that may be of interest to note there. Strong candle there off the open. That's a 5-minute candle. January 3rd. Similar pattern there where we drove up off the open pretty strong, consolidated the rest of the day, but again, low happening there around the open. So that's the second time that it's happened, or the first time it happened this year, the second time we've just seen. And let's see, the time before that looks like this happened in November, and again, pushing off the open pretty strong. So let's look at one more. This is starting to get pretty deep back now. This is last February. So again, though, same pattern here where we're not trading much below the open. So at least in recent memory here, looking at these past handful of samples that this has happened, it's traded pretty strong off the open. So thought I'd point that out. We'll do this again sometime soon. Good luck the rest of the day. I will see you next time.